treat now, me I tell you about the treat. We are getting little thing coming in, but we want more help. So anybody who want to donate can donate. Send some money. We are getting little help. Give God thanks.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself for Wallande with the latest mix up and mix downs. So subscribe if for your first time over yourself before watching.
Proper something. That's my real name. Let me know a proper something. A proper something me have. Okay. Well, the treat now, me I tell you about the treat. We are getting little thing coming in, but we want more help. So anybody who want to donate can donate. Send some money. We are getting little help. Give God thanks. The people never got happy in the back bush because I have some boss and them me I give back to. Nobody never boss me yet. A back bush people them show me love. The people them everybody. And Sunday and the lady at the shop that is Sammy Joe. Big up yourself. She's back at behind scene at work. I want to cook little food. For the people them, I cook some food, buy some chicken and chicken back and chop it up and do it thing. You know, we are getting together so we know if we do it thing. And buy peas and coconut powder and them something and vegetable and potato salad. Do a proper thing for the kids them, you understand? I want money for buy juice, some case of small juice for the kids them. Any company want jump in and give me something. Want to bigger. Juice, orange juice, anything for the people them. Want somebody in the company help you out. If you some bag juice, we can time I go add some cast bag juice, cause people them want help with. Do some cast bag juice, we freeze them and give the people them and them go and suck and eat and jump in a bounce about. We just give back, you understand? Because God bless me so much. We are going from too far.
Show them telling a fake thing, a real shit. Them they were talking to them. We're going to show them.
See me ties them from the kids them.
Yeah, some real things.
The girls and boys.
Thing. Show them.
Understand?
Real cheat, exercise book.
You understand?
Yeah. Look at nice things and
yeah, we get some things to the kids them. We want more still. We got enough kids in the community. They have for the boys them. You understand? And they tell them for the girls them. See like chop.
jump rope.
Yeah. We have some well for the stock one. We want more because enough kids in the back bush. And we know the kids don't come from all top range. Because top range we didn't live. And we want everybody just come and support and get them ties and get them food and them drinks and them cake and them ice cream and them popcorn and feel nice going home. Because I enjoy myself with the kids them because the kids them love me. Anywhere we go them call me. One little pity them text it for me. Them say, well on the treat, more my ice cream now and my dolly. We say no come here and wait. Oh no wait for the time. More I'm going on my bounce about now. So me happy and the people them make me happy. So me give back. Them can't have them. We never have them opportunity here to get dolly and ties and them something for my Christmas. Mother do what she can do, Valda Wilson. She do what she can do and give it. And the local dirty man, Abu, her husband. You understand, a molester, child molester. But me not even pay him no mind because God show me a pass in the sea of forgetfulness. You understand? And when him again, that I'm my sister, father. You understand? Molest me when me small as baby. You understand? But me I try forget the past. You understand? I move on and give back to the kids them because I don't want them end up like how me did end up when me look. You understand? One dolly, I want new clothes and new shoes and can't get it. But you understand? That's why I treat my son. So anything you want, if you want to get KFC to them, I sell him. If you want to get a burger, I sell him. Because at times, we not even have our bulla, we have to eat.
I love you, Salone.
Love you. And number 9, you understand that people them always support me. Please don't yes. You always there with me and support me. Everything I want to eat. So I want to spirit. And number 9, you have to go. Pick up yourself, Kimmy. You understand? You give me my shoes and my seat bag. You see money put on up there. Somebody say you know something. Pick up yourself. Yeah, when you
Saloni. I love your guy to bed, Saloni. Man.
yeah,
The people that move.
and the thief was at the nail. That's why God foot split. You understand? Because
Yeah, them not Saloni. Yeah, them not Saloni. Them must say, oh, yeah, them in the comments now. Them must say, oh, yeah, tell master, say, I belly big like Bambelly kid and feel big. Tell them to good pump up itself.
no problem. I have big belly away. You have to big to survive.
Exactly.
If the belly is not big, you can't survive that Jamaica.
Exactly. Good pump up itself.
With them mouth and them all that go like scandal bag.
No, talk to your clean mouth, Saloni.
Them can't pass tough card medalist. Nah, me a pay. Because you put them a ball and say, mommy.
Exactly. Nobody can. Some of them can't walk past tough card. Cause I be a crying. I be a bawling. Talk to your good mouth.
That's why the Prime Minister ban scandal bank and them all that go like scandal bank.
Talk no refer every minute. So don't me love you. You have to
And enough of them attack that them have corona. They put the whole country on lockdown. A mass there, mass up, and you know they pass up.
talk to Saloni. Tell them to good man.
Enough of them have corona. Them come like corona. They come like the disease, the worldwide disease.
Bad word. They must behave
Them
them.
smell bad. That's why people have to mask up. The whole world are mask up. Because when they pass through, me I tell you, you have to stop your breath and put on a mask.
But Saloni, big and serious now. You see the word of bad word something, you must calm it down. Yeah? You must calm it down. Yes, the word the word of bad word sometimes it not ladylike. Okay? So imagine you're out the road and cut and not go on certain way. All just
But
it
you
would
get
have
the trouble, man. When you scare them, talk about something, talk about bad belly. Not even have belly, but let's the bank.
No, but still sometimes you can't ignore them. You're still on everything. And everything you must
And because you tell me, you come from the
I'm gonna post the clap about Carla Stick Stomach. What's your name? Irreplaceable Walker. Ugly Duckling. Hey, I'm coming for still on that because I don't want class them.
Bye, girl.
them are dirty nigga.
Dirty niggas.
What about dirty clothes on the back?
No, some of them even have
Them dirty clothes on the
some of them
dirty
even watch them
jacket.
thinking crutches like mine. Them a come hey, I'm coming for you, yeah?
Because they put on the nails and them can't wash them cars. Them jars can't swing on it. And then, December the 21st, teacher, I'm going to put on them dirty people here. Teacher, we might prepare some more of them. I have 2 more bag and them something here for the kids them, because enough kids don't come, top range kids them won't come down, because big something. And I said, I'm not for top range, I'm not this top range people, because they saw, yes sir, they love me this stuff, you know. And there was a night they can walk and come look at cigarette and me look at Cliff and me look at juice, me look at Pepsi, I don't know, me love Pepsi already. I know me not to drink it. But anyway, I want to big up on myself. I come off on the live now because I don't know chatting already. So anyway, proper something come off on the live.